Hello dream students. Now I have come with a new series of videos that is about how to become freelancer in just 30 days. I have got so many requests from my students in online as well as whenever I meet them physically in my company, and I want to do some series of videos on how to become a freelancer in an easy manner. So when we talk about freelancing, we get so many ideas, so many thoughts on how to become freelancing. You might have heard about this freelancing word everywhere in the online. So many YouTube videos are there, so many videos in the social media on freelancing. But I'm making an exclusive videos only on how to become freelancer in just 30 days. I'm going to share one video every day on freelancing. So at the end of the 30 days, you will start your journey on freelancing, and also you become a successful freelancer and you start earning and you will achieve your dream career. So when I'm making these videos, don't think that these exclusive videos are only for freelancer. You are mistaken. You are completely gone wrong. It's not for freelancer. It is only for the students. I'm making this freelancing series only for students. If you are a student who are studying in some school or college of different branch, whatever it may be your background, but you can follow these series of videos on how to become freelancer in just 30 days every day. Then if you follow all the steps that I'm teaching every day in every video, then definitely we will make sure that you will become freelancer very easily within 30 days. So if you want to become freelancer in just 30 days, then I have a condition for you. I can say it's a small request from my side that after watching my video every day, you have to spend at least 2 hours per day on practical implementation, whatever you have learned from my videos. That's the only condition I have. If you are agreed with me, then we are good to go. So today is day 1. I'm sharing all the details every day, but today is only about the introduction into the freelancing. Now I have divided this video into 4 sections. Section number 1, what exactly freelancing means. Section number 2, why you have to choose freelancing career. Section number 3, who are the successful freelancers in entire world and in India. Section number 4, who should choose the freelancing career. Now let's begin our video with section number 1, what exactly the freelancing means. Now let me explain what is freelancing in a simple manner so that you can understand very easily. Freelancing just means that you will be working on certain project by project to a dedicated client. I can say it's an individual client or to a company or an organization. So they will give you certain task for you to complete, then you have to complete that particular task within the stipulated time. So you will have the time restriction, you will have the resource restriction, and you will be given a task to complete within that particular time, and there will be some expectation from you by the client. So this is exactly called as freelancing. Some people says that freelancing just means that it's a self-employment. You'll be working for you as per your convenience, as per your timings to a particular individual or to a company. But I will say that freelancing not just only a self-employment, but it is a starting step to the entrepreneurship journey. If you look at someone who already started the freelancing career, they will be somewhere where they are beginning their entrepreneurship journey. They have become entrepreneurs. They are making some kind of business using their skills. But once upon a time, they are just freelancers. They are working for someone. Now let me explain about the freelancing in a simple terms. Now, for example, I am a client. The client means an individual, or I can say HR of a company or organization. They have certain requirement. The requirement is like a certain task to be completed. So they don't want to take a permanent employee to complete that task because that does not require long-term duration. That does not require regular support. So in that case, they will look for a freelancer. So the freelancer will be selected to complete that particular task only. So if I'm a client, I will choose a freelancer to complete my task as per my requirement within the short span of. Then how do you earn you by using your skills as a freelancer? So the earning can be 2 ways. Either you can charge per hour, how many hours you are working for a client on the project to complete that particular task, then you will be paid how many hours you work on. And the second way is you can charge for complete project. So you will understand complete project, what to do from end to end. Then you will give a certain quotation to the client saying that to complete entire project, this is the charge. maybe few dollars. So if that charge is agreed with the client, and sometimes they will go for negotiation, they want to reduce the charge, and if you are agreed with that, then you are good to go. You will complete that particular project within the specified time, then they will pay complete charge. So this is the meaning of freelancing, and this is the way of earning, and I hope you understood what exactly freelancing means. So don't be hurry that how do I become freelancing, what have to do, do I have the skill set or not, but how can I earn. So just don't bother about all these things, because this is just day one. I'm just giving the introduction about the freelancing. I'm not going into the details of the freelancing. We have the day 2, day 3 and up to day 30. I will take you to how to start your freelancing career, how do you work on that, what are the different sites which are available for free of cost, and how do you show up your skill, how do you utilize your knowledge in the real-time implementation. Then in this way, how do you become freelancer at the end of the 30th day, that will take care later on. But today our agenda is to understand what exactly freelancing. Now let's move on to section number 2, that is why you have to choose the freelancing career. Well, nowadays everyone is talking about financial freedom, time freedom, financial independence, and I want some passive income, some part-time job, I want a parallel side income, all these things you heard. And sometimes someone says that they are get bored with the 9 to 5 job, they don't want to stick to the job. The good news is all these things could be fulfilled by using freelancing career. Freelancing career is very, very important to the students. The reason is you can have some skills, you will have some knowledge, but you don't know how to implement that in the real time environment. So in that case, you can utilize your knowledge, you can utilize your skill, and you can become freelancer easily. It may not be possible for others. So with this freelancing career, you will get financial independence, freedom, and you will have the time freedom. You can earn while doing your main job, that is 9 to 5 job. You will have the extra income every month. Why everyone are talking about the freelancing? The reason is when you are working in a company or to some organization, the real fact is we are underpaid, which means that how much efforts you are putting for the company, how much time you are utilizing, how much sacrificing you are doing, but that much amount is you are not getting as a salary. We all are underpaid. We are not recognized based on our talent. It's a huge competition. It is only based on the recommendation, based on the influence. We will not get growth in our life without having this time freedom and financial freedom. So after putting all the efforts, how much we are getting every month as a salary is just a few peanuts. Do you know the inflation rate is increasing day by day, but with the same pace, our salaries are not increasing. That's why everyone wants to earn extra every month apart from their main job salary. This is possible only by using freelancer, or you become an entrepreneur, you will get all this freedom. Now let's move on to section number 3, that is the successful freelancers in the entire world and in our country. There are so many successful persons who have become good freelancers in their domain, and now they are not just called as a freelancer, but they are called as an entrepreneurs, because they have started their journey as a freelancer. They have utilized their skill and knowledge, and they used to complete the project within that time, and they are fulfilling the requirements of the clients, and all the clients are happy of these persons who are very much successful in the freelancer. After full of experience in the freelancing, they have started their own company and they became entrepreneurs, and they are giving some kind of jobs to others. Now let's move on to section number 4, that is who has to choose the freelancing career. And if you are thinking that this freelancing career is not for me, and these series of videos that I am making is not for me, even though I am a student, I did not have the knowledge in any domain, I did not have any skill, then you are completely mistaken. It is false belief, and I can say it's a myth that you did not have the skills and knowledge and you cannot become a freelancer. Definitely there will be some knowledge if you are a student, and you will have some skill set which can be utilized to become a freelancer. The problem is you did not recognize that as a skill. You did not understand your true potential. You did not understand what is the knowledge that you already have, and you become a freelancer. Because you did not know what exactly freelancing means, what are the different streams are there in the freelancing career. If you really understand these streams, these categories, these options in the freelancing, then definitely you can correlate your knowledge and skill, then you will become freelancer very easily. At present, you may be in a situation that you may not recognize your knowledge and skill, but over a period of time, after watching some of the videos every day, then definitely you will understand and correlate your knowledge and skill. and you start implementing your skill to the others and you become a freelancer very easily. With this, I will sign off here. I hope you understood what exactly freelancing means, who has to become a freelancer, how do you choose freelancing career. So if you want to become freelancer in just 30 days, then definitely watch all the series of videos every day. Then at the end of the 30th day, you become a freelancer and you start your career in the freelancing and you start earning through freelancing. Thank you everyone, but don't forget to like, comment and share this video to all your friends, and also subscribe to the channel to get all the videos every day.